The innovations that have been coming out in recent days have been pretty impressive. With such great talents in computer technology, language, coding, and such other factors, the world has started noticing things that may have been impossible in the past. This shift in the economy and in the general perception of the people is what may be called the progress that the world as one unit has been making. Even though the individual achievements may vary, together there have been huge achievements, especially in the investment sector over the past few years. Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today, we will be dealing with something that has a lot of importance in the cryptocurrency market. We will be speaking about Tenset and how the technology that it provides could bridge the gap that is noticed between stocks and cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned till the end of this video because you may learn things that you may have had no idea at all. Make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to make the most out of this video. Also, allow us to mention that this is not a piece of financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. With such a high degree of volatility seen in the market, it is very important for you to ensure that you follow all the risk mitigating techniques to ensure you don't incur huge losses. Nevertheless, we would recommend you to make a decision only after your own due diligence process and not directly after hearing someone speak about any cryptocurrency. This video has been published for you to stay informed. All further actions are to be taken post-consultation of either your financial advisor or after your own considerations. Having said that, let us get into the video. Tenset will certainly be the technology that will be experienced by a large part of society. There are high chances that we might even see the technology being used within multiple industries. Heading onto the website, you will see that they describe themselves as a bridge between cryptocurrency and the stock market. This is in itself a very clear indication of the objective that they are trying to fulfill within this system. The chances are very high that we may be able to see a technology that will increase flexibility in both types of investments. Generally, it can be used within three main principles. These are staking, deflationary, and smart backing. Such a system will certainly be a huge innovation and will open new doors for investors to diversify their portfolios. Tenset has an aggressively deflationary system with a smart staking system. This technology has already been featured multiple times on various occasions, even in Yahoo Money and other platforms. It is safe to say that Tenset is already one of the most recognized technologies and will certainly change the manner in which people invest throughout the world. One of the main features that people are looking for through cryptocurrencies is a deflationary system. As a matter of fact, this may be the reason why we see a similar system in this as well. It provides higher rewards that keep the users encouraged in the system at all times. The system has been designed to split the 2% fee from each transaction into two halves, with one going into the wallet of all other investors while the other one gets burned. This helps in reducing the number of tokens that are already in circulation. The mechanism used for staking is called the RFI mechanism. That is very unique in the manner in which it works. In this system, the need to freeze or store the token in any special wallet does not arise. You can start staking irrespective of any contingencies and therefore provides much wider flexibility to the users at all times. This system helps users in making some income at all times. It also helps in keeping some tokens out of the circulation, which, as a result, hodling throughout the system. Each token in the system is backed by a collection of cryptocurrencies, which yet again keeps the system robust at all times. The generation of passive income will help the community in a rather efficient manner. The profits that are made by the company will also help in buying back the Tenset tokens, which are later burned to help to boost the price by increasing the deflationary property of the cryptocurrency. The ardent numbers of buyers for this unique technology has resulted in the full sale of all tokens in the system. The fact that they could generate over $10 million through the pre-sale indicates the kind of trust people have in this technology and the future that it may hold for the future of cryptocurrencies. Based on all these factors, it is safe to say that the progress is positive for this cryptocurrency and will help in making things much better in the long run. Investors also claim this to be the next frontier of the DeFi liquidity incentives. The system that was being used in the past has been around for a while, and a change now became a necessity as they added more features into the system. The new system, the ETF 2.0, is a much more advanced system that may be used in a rather efficient manner. The users can purchase the Tenset tokens with Ethereum, which is then followed by an option of 4 ways that could be pursued. As the economy breaks down through the deflationary fee that is being levied on all transactions, 30% of the profits are also used to buy back the Tenset cryptocurrencies. The bought-back tokens remain with the management, which is then used for certain stocks. The manner in which the progress for Tenset has been mapped is something that will tell you a lot about the future that it beholds. There are a huge number of people working to make the most out of the system and also to help the coin increase in price and make higher profits each day. One of the major milestones that it had in its list is the listing in Uniswap. This listing will be very important for the cryptocurrency to get deeper into the market and become an investment option for a larger community. The team behind the system is more than qualified for the kind of project that they are handling. There seems to be a lot of talent on board, which is being applied from time to time as the situation arises. Apart from that, the developments and perhaps the very idea speaks a lot about the thought processes each one of the founders has within them. The team will certainly be one of the biggest reasons why we will see a massive spike in the prices of this coin, along with the overall adoption that it will have in the cryptocurrency market. The strategic partner that they have on board is Robert Grin, who is also the youngest self-made entrepreneur in the world. The team set up by them will certainly make a big difference in the very manner in which they work. Robert is also the former CEO of CodeWise, which was the second fastest growing company in entire Europe. His involvement in the same will certainly make a lot of difference in the manner in which things will proceed with them in the long run. Having a team with such high experience and knowledge in this field calls for some serious additions in the overall growth rate of Tenset. Speaking of which, one other thing that could be relied upon to realize the strategic growth of this system is the white paper being released by them. This ETF 2.0 project that is based on the ERC-20 system will aid the investors to make the most out of their investment. It will help the investors to make enough and stable returns on the investments that they make. The white paper also speaks about the best price that it could be provided for, which was around 10,000 Tenset for 1 Ethereum. One of the major advantages that it provides is that it will be giving full transparency to all the data. The white paper clearly elaborates all the aspects that it could need to gain over a period of time. The second quarter of the roadmap is very interesting and holds a lot of surprises for the industry as a whole. The objective of earning passive income is something that has been highly appreciated even by the developers. This system will help either party to keep working for a cause and will keep the community happy in the long term. This is one of the major advantages that this coin has to offer for the larger public. With the manner in which the coin has been proceeding over the past couple of months, there are high chances that we will be able to make the most out of the system in a very short span of time. The development speed and the team behind the concept is something that is much different from what is happening elsewhere in the cryptocurrency market. This is what will help this concept rise over all other cryptos and therefore establish a stern position. We hope you liked this video. Make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. We will be back with more videos. Until then, stay tuned with us and keep investing.